Okay, so hi everyone, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the YouTube channel Funway Data Science into this live stream today. Hey everyone. Hi Rahul, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good and yeah, pranam. Hey Ajju, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, learning about Python efficiently. Okay, just allow me 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'll be answering this question in detail for you. Okay, just allow me 2-3 minutes. So yes, welcome everyone. Welcome here. I hope you all are doing super good at your ends. Okay, Hasti Rahu, hi. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Okay, so great everyone. A long time I have not done the live stream, and yeah, reason for that was not about not having some good internet or something like that. But okay, not a worry. Today we are here, and I am here with one of the most amazing Python projects for you all. Okay, we'll be discussing up in detail about the same. What is that project? What about? How to write the codes for? Right, everything we'll be discussing up in detail. Okay, Rahul, data visualization के लिए बढ़िया YouTube channel बताइए. Okay, Rahul, for the data visualization, okay, you can refer to my channel only, right? Into that you have the Tableau और सीरीज आपका जो है ना चैनल पे, आप Tableau को रेफर कर सकते हो डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए. उसके सिवा अगर आप चाहते हो कि यू शुड हैव सम लाइब्रेरीज जैसे कि आपकी सीबॉन, मैटप्लॉटलिब, प्लॉटली, सो उसके लिए भी एज वेल वी हैव अ सेपरेट प्ले लिस्ट. ठीक है, सो आप चैनल पे जाके यू कैन चेक आउट कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं और कैसे यू कैन डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो यू कैन रेफर द चैनल ओनली. Okay, Rohan, when you teach Python looks so easy. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot that ki you are getting the things in an easier manner. So thanks a lot for the same. Okay, अज्जुपान मैम कुछ समय के बाद कोड भूल क्यों जाते हैं? See, because आप कोड को समझने की जगह you try to remember. आप कोड को समझने की जगह आप उसको याद, उसका लॉजिक याद करने की कोशिश करते हो. ठीक है, सो इसका ये रीज़न है, इस वजह से आप कोड को एक टाइम के बाद भूल जाते हो या आप खुद का लॉजिक ना यूज़ करके दूसरों के लॉजिक को देखते हो. दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि आप कोड को भूल जाते हो. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप ना जब भी आप कोई प्रोग्राम लिखें, सो मेक श्योर कि आप उस प्रोग्राम पे अपना खुद का लॉजिक यूज़ कर रहे हो और इंस्टेड ऑफ रिमेंबरिंग, याद करने की जगह आप ये समझ रहे हो कि ये लाइन अगर इसमें लिखी गई है, सो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न उसके बिहाइंड. ठीक है, सो दैट्स द वन थिंग विच यू कैन डू, और उसके सिवा इट विल बी गुड. ओके, मोस्ट वेलकम राहुल. अज्जू पांडे, प्रोजेक्ट बन के पाइथन प्रैक्टिस करें कि डीएसए करें? सी, अगर व्हाट इज़ योर मोटिव आपका डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है, और जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपको प्रोजेक्ट्स की लाइक आप उनको अपने रिज्यूमे में ऐड करना है, राइट, आपको डीएसए सीखना है ताकि आप इंटरव्यूज़ क्रैक कर पाओ. सो अगर आप मेरा सजेशन मांगो, सो आज से कि आप दोनों चीज़ें साइमल्टेनियसली मतलब एक ही टाइम पे करो दोनों चीज़ों को. ठीक है, सो दैट कि आप दोनों चीज़ें मास्टर कर पाओ और आपका जो भी फर्दर ड्रीम है आप उसको कंप्लीट कर पाओ. सो दैट्स द वन थिंग. ओके, ग्रेट एवरीवन. सो most welcome Ajju. Rohan, okay, Rohan will be covering and we'll be trying to make up a Python project today. ठीक है, that Python project will be a password security checker. We all know कि आप सभी लोग इंस्टा पे होगे, you all are on FBs, LinkedIn, और आप सबके अपने खुद email accounts है. बहुत सारे लोगों को तो like they have many email accounts, right? So in everything we require some passwords to be put down so that we can secure our either email accounts or you can secure your like profiles, right, your username, IDs you enter and everything you can secure in. So that is the reason we always try to build up some strong passwords. Right, now how to check that the password which I am entering is that strong or not, right? Because if the password, there was a research which was done. In that research it was found, okay, if you are only using numbers then the password is less secure. If you are only using the alphabets, that is again less secure. If you're using numbers plus alphabets, that is a little secure. So like this, we have a research which is based over among the passwords which are being generated by the people. So in that research was founded that as many different types of characters or different types of symbols or different types of numbers you're going to add onto your passwords, that is going to result you out the strongest password. And simply it won't be easy, it won't be at all easy for the hackers to crack that particular password, right? So today we'll be learning how we can make a password checker, a password strength checker, that how strong is my password to be put down for my handles, for my social media handles, or for my accounts, right? Because the privacy is the one thing which we all have to take care of, otherwise your data can be leaked out or someone can hack in your accounts. So that's the one of the amazing projects which we can add, and trust me, you can add out these projects onto your resume very like easily, and it would be a sort of a very different kind of a one, because this project is a new project and people haven't made this project yet, and neither people have added this particular project onto their resumes up till now. So it could be I'll say a boom for your resume to add this particular project. So I request everyone that you all should make this particular project with me today over here. Okay, so I hope you are pretty clear with all the things. Okay, हस्रो कमिटी मैम, अभी मैं थर्ड ईयर में हूँ, प्लेसमेंट डीएसए करूँ या वेब? ठीक है. सो अगर आपको लाइक इफ दैट इज द केस, उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, डीएसए, यू कैन गो फॉर द डीएसए, ठीक है, ताकि वंस यू एंटर योर फोर्थ ईयर, उसमें आपके हाथ में इधर यू हैव सम इंटर्नशिप या आपके यू हैव सम जॉब इनटू योर हैंड, ठीक है. उसके लाइक यू गो इनटू पर्टिकुलर रोल, जो भी आपके रोल के लिए आप डीएसए वगैरह प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, आप उस रोल पे चले जाओ. नेक्स्ट, अगर आपको किसी और चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है, देन आप उसको आगे परस्यू कर सकते हो. दैट इज ऑल योर चॉइस, ठीक है. हे शालिनी, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. आई होप यू आर डूइंग इट. Perfect everyone. So what we'll do, we'll just very quickly start writing out our project for today, the project which we are here for, right? Great. See, the IDE that I am going to use is your Google Colab. It depends on to you people what IDE you are using. You can use online, offline, any of those, okay? Great. So what I'm going to do, we'll start writing out a project. So first of all, I'm going to import up 2 of the modules of Python. Okay, I'm going to first of all import the string, one module. Okay, 1 second. Okay, import string. Second, I am going to import one more module, get pass. Now you do not need to install this onto your devices. These automatically comes installed. Okay, so no requirement for installation. Go ahead and start writing the program like this, because when I said modules, so modules are the ones which automatically come installed onto your devices. If I would have said about libraries, so libraries were the one which you need to install manually. Modules automatically come installed with Python, right? See, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make each and everything very clearer and very simpler for you today, okay? So make sure you are writing the projects with me, and make sure that you are even trying to listen me as much as you can today, because there are many small things which I'll be telling you here into this live stream of this particular project as well, and some suggestions also I'll be giving you how you can make your projects more effective to add into your resumes, and so that your projects stand out from other projects which other people are adding in their resume. Okay, so that all we'll be discussing up over here. Rohan ma'am, you're so intelligent. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot for the same. Great. So now what we'll be doing, we'll be trying to first of all make up a sort of a function over here. Okay, now div, my function name which we are having, that is check underscore, it is password, okay, let's say password underscore strength. Okay, let's say that's my name for the particular function which I want to make. Again, function name, it is simple, so you can just define any function name of your choice. But Now there's a suggestion over here for everyone. Whenever you are defining up a function name or whenever you're defining up a variable name, always make sure that they are meaningful. Meaningful means that you are trying to add some meaning onto your functions and each and every single thing. Right, so that is what you have to do up over here. So once you are writing up your function, once you're writing up your variable, you just have to make sure that you are writing up that particular one, that meaningful, that okay, if there is any person who is reading up your name of that particular function or name of that variable, so from that name only, person can understand, okay, what are you actually trying to do into this particular program, right? It should be that meaningful. So that's the one thing. Coming down, I'm gonna write some variable name, let's say password, okay, is equal to, here will come in my get pass, that module which I have used above, okay, get pass dot get pass, and now I am asking you to enter the password. Okay, because I'm to check in the strength for your password, how strong your password is, right? So for that, I would be requiring to check your password, right? So I just entered the password like this over here. Fine. Now, I would take one other variable. Okay, I'll take an other variable, let's say that is strength, and I'm going to set that as 0. So for now, what I'm going to do, I am entering the strength of my password as 0 because right now I don't have any password which I have entered. So once I have written the strength as 0, as soon as my password, I'll be entering into that. Slowly and gradually it will tell me how strong is that actually. But slowly and gradually it will help me how strong my password is based over some criteria which we will be entering, right? Okay, I hope I am pretty clear with this stuff up till now, this particular 3, 4, 5 lines, whatever we have written. I hope we are clear with the same. Hi Suman, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. So yes everyone, tell me in the chat, am I clear with all the stuffs which we have discussed up till now? Is that pretty fine with everyone? Okay, great. So further proceeding on, now I would make, okay, I'll make a variable as a mark. Okay, mark as a variable. Now if I want that there, I want to give some remarks on to the basis of your password, that your password is strong or your password is very weak or some anything like that, right? Into your particular program, I want to give that something. So now I'm going to set down a variable as a mark, and I'm for now gonna set that as blank. Further into my program, I will be writing some of the either stuffs. I would be giving some conditions. Based over the satisfaction of that conditions, I will be getting the result. For now, I am simply making it as blank. Okay Rohan, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Next we are having lower underscore count as a variable. Okay, not that. I would write C underscore lower. Okay, now my lower count, it means that how many total lowercase characters, how many small characters I have in my password. Then goes how many uppercase characters I have. C underscore upper means how many capital letters I have in my program, in my password. Okay. Total how many numbers I have in my password. C is equal to C underscore num. Total how many numbers I have in my password. Okay. Okay. Do we have any space in my password? So C underscore is space. I would even try to check in, do we have any space in the password, because that particular one will also be added as one of my passwords, right? One of the characters in my password. So yes, I'm checking that. And now I'll check about the special characters into my password. That total how many special characters I have in my password. Special character mean your @ hash, dollar, percent, plus, minus, whatsoever, all the symbols, you know, each and everything. Fine. These are the 5 components which we combine and make a password. Right? These are 5 components only. We have lowercase characters, we have uppercase characters, we have your numbers, we have either your space, or at that particular place we have your special symbols. That's what all we have, right? For now, what I am doing is that I am setting each and every single thing as 0 over here. Okay, pretty clear. Getting down, I would now start applying my conditions. Okay, so for C in list, okay, I am making up an empty list over here, and inside that I am writing the variable which is password. Further into this, what I would now do, I would try to count total how many lowercase, how many uppercase, how many digits, how many spaces, and how many special symbols I have into my complete program. Sorry, I have into my complete password. That's one thing which I am trying to check in here, right? So I'll pause here or stop here for 30 seconds. I want to ask people, am I clear up till this particular place for you all? Because from here the conditions are starting. So if I'm clear, if you can, people can drop me a yes in the chat box. Great. So further proceeding in, I would start putting up my conditions. Okay. So for C in, and I'll take that string which we have used above, where that import a string. Okay. So for C in is string dot ASCII ASCII underscore lowercase. Okay, we have ASCII characters into our basically into our program, or into with the Python we have some ASCII characters, right? What does those ASCII characters helps us to do? So that ASCII characters, these help us to give some number to our particular characters. Okay, let's say we have small a, we have capital E. So they are even having up their own number that are called as ASCII values. Okay, so it's important that each and every single character, each and every single alphabet have their own ASCII values. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Rohan, for the confirmation. Done. Lowercase is done. Getting down, I would use my C underscore lower variable, which we had made C underscore lower plus is equal to 1. So what it will do, if it will find a lowercase character in my password, it will do plus. Okay, it will do plus into that particular case. So it will help me to add on the total how many lowercase characters I have, total how many uppercase characters, or total how many symbol, how many blank spaces, and how many digits I have into my whole program. It will, this particular for loop will help me to find out that respective thing. Okay. Okay, hey Sana, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. So that's the thing. Next we are having elif, my next condition. Elif C in, I'll try to check in for my uppercase now. So string dot ASCII underscore uppercase. Okay, so again I would do C underscore upper, that particular variable, plus is equal to 1, because that's what I am trying to do up over here. I'm just simply trying to count how many lowercase, how many uppercase characters we are having. Okay. Next turn comes for my digits. So for C in string dot digits, okay, I would just do C underscore num plus equal to 1. Okay. Next is for my space. So elif C in, okay, C is equal to blank space. Okay, like this. Okay, 1 second. Getting down, I would just do C underscore, that name was C underscore space plus is equal to 1, right? Next I am going to use up the else condition for the same. So else, and this time it will go for my special character. So C underscore spec spec was the variable plus is equal to 1. Done? Yes. So my first loop has been done, which will actually help me to add on in total how many lowercase, how many uppercase, how many digits, how many spaces and how many special characters I have into my whole program. Right? Great. Now again I'll stop here for a minute. I would like to ask you people, are we clear with whatsoever I have discussed up till now with you all? Are we clear with the same? Sana ma'am, I will become like you dears. Okay Sana, I wish you the very best for the same, and I am pretty sure that you'll surely become one of the good instructors for this as well. Pretty sure for the same. And I wish you very, very, very best of luck for the same. Great. Now we'll start on with the other conditions. Now one condition I'll set that if I have, okay Monica, thank you, thanks a lot for the confirmation. Now we'll start with one other thing, that is total whatsoever. If I have one lowercase, if I have one uppercase, if I have one special symbol, one space and one digit, I would try to add on the strength of my whole password. That is what I'll try to do. Okay. So I'm going to write that if C underscore lower, if that is greater than equal to 1, whatever the count for my characters of the lower case, that is greater than equal to 1, I would add the strength, strength plus equal to 1. Okay. Now I'll keep on doing this particular thing for all of my respective either my lower case or my upper cases or my digits, everything I'll be doing for those. Okay. Okay Sana, most welcome for that. Done. Next we'll go for my upper count. C underscore upper greater than equal to 1. And then again I'm going to do strength plus equal to 1. Okay. Now I'm going to count the digits. So C underscore num, I guess, was a variable. 1 second. Yeah, C underscore num. If that is again greater than equal to 1, so again I would do the strength plus equal to 1. Okay. If blank space, for that we have C underscore space. Okay. If that is greater than equal to 1, I would do 1 second, strength plus equal to 1. Okay. If now my special symbol, okay, so C underscore, I guess SPC, yeah, that was a variable. If that is greater than equal to 1, so we have the strength plus equal to 1. All done, right? Now these conditions I have put, that if the total uppercase is greater than 1, so we'll say we'll add one strength, we'll add other strength, we'll add other strength. So this is, we are trying to check total what is the strength of my complete password. That is what we are trying to check up over here. Fine. Now, if I can get a first of all confirmation from you all, are we clear up till this particular place, guys? Are we clear up till here? Okay, let's proceed on everyone. And now I would put some, let's say I would put in my 5 conditions for the strength. Okay. So if my strength is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, I have added a variable that was a mark, right? Yeah, if the strength is equal to 1. So in the mark, now what I want. Okay. I would write that it is a very weak password. Okay, it is a very weak password. Getting down. Okay, it is a very weak password. I would write or try to change it as soon as possible. Okay, that is my remark. If my strength is equal to 1, in that case I would give this particular remark, elif. Now second condition goes that now if, okay, if strength is equal to 2, okay, if the strength of my password, if that is equal to 2. Now into that I would again have a mark, and that mark now I would give that, okay, I write it is a weak password. Okay, it is a weak password, and even I would write try making it a strong one. Okay, like this we can add one other mark. Next condition for me will go that if my strength of the password is 3. Okay, if the strength is equal to 3. Okay, thank you Rohan, thanks a lot for the confirmation. Right, and I'm just going to write that mark is equal to, into that I would write if the strength is 3. Okay, I can just write, okay, I would just write it in manner that it is fine but could be better. Okay, like this, it is fine but could be better. Great, like this we can add in. Next will go that if the strength of my password is 4, elif strength is equal to 4. Into that I can write up the remark as it is a good password but try adding some more, we can say some more number. Okay, or we can say try making it a bit difficult. Okay, like that. And next will go my else condition, or we can just add in the third elif condition that if the strength is equal to 5, I can add the mark as, we can add in that, okay, 1 second, strength spelling is not right. Great. Now strength it can be right that it is a strong password and a difficult one to crack. As simple as that. Right? That's done. So I have added some conditions that is the past. If the strength is this, then give this remark. If the strength is this, then give that remark. Like this we have added for all the strength of my password, because I have added 5 different things in my password. If there is 1 thing, then password is very weak. If there are 2 things, password is a little weak. If there are 3 things, it is fine. It is okay. If we have 4 things in that, password is good. And if we have all that 5 type things into our password, it's the difficult password and not easy to crack one. Right? So like this we have added the conditions. So am I clear what conditions we have added and how I have written these conditions, how I have made and written those? If I am clear, get me a confirmation in the chat box. Okay, Monica. Hello, Shambhavi. I'm from BSc Honors Maths background, but my coding skills are good. I can understand the program you are doing really well. I want to start my career as data engineer. What I should do to reach there? I will be really great if you can give me some insights. Yeah, sure, Monica. Okay, if you're good in coding and you want to go for data engineer and you are from BSc Honors Maths. Okay, now into that case, two things could be done. Okay, the one thing which could be done is that you can get in some proper certifications from the edtechs which are right now in the market. Okay, from those edtechs you can take a proper certification for your data engineer course. Go and grab that particular one. It might be a 6 to 8 months of course. Okay, you can take that and further you can go and apply into your dream jobs and the dream companies. Second is that you can refer some individual courses for individual topics. Let's say for Python you refer some other course. Let's say for Tableau you refer other course. Let's say for SQL you refer other course. This could be the second method which can be done. So whatsoever the method you feel like is okay or you feel like is good for you, you can go with that particular method for coming into this data engineer field. Okay, this is what you can do. And if you're from mathematics, you might be good in statistics and probability. That's the best thing. If you are even good in coding, so yeah, you should surely enter this particular field. You will do amazing into this. Okay, done. Now once I have added all these things, all the strength and everything, now I want to check what is my password. So not what is my password. I want to check total how many uppercase, how many lowercase, how many digits, and how many spaces and how many special characters I have into my password. I want to check that. Okay, so I am gonna print our statement. Print password entered by you consists colon like that. Okay, most welcome Monica, most welcome for that. Password which is entered by you, it consists of. I am gonna use the print statement. Print with the F strings. I'll write total lowercase characters like this, and here I would use the variable of mine. One second, I'll use the variable which is C underscore lower, which has helped me to count down all the lowercase characters. Okay, what I'll do, I'll copy this complete statement. One second, because I won't write that again and again. Okay, getting down, I would again write that, and this time it's for my uppercase. So this lower I'll change to uppercase characters, C underscore upper. Okay, next after my uppercase characters we have the digits. So total, I would write total digits. Okay, C underscore num was the variable. After this we are having the blank spaces. So total, next would go total total blank spaces. Okay, C underscore I guess my variable was space. Yeah, and next we were having the special characters, right? So total special symbols, actually not characters. So total special symbols. Okay, and C underscore my variable was, I guess special, it was spec. Yeah, C underscore spec. Okay, one second, I would need to check that C underscore space. Yeah, fine. Right, so I just counted total about the total digits, total how many that particular things we have into my password. Now I would try to give the strength of my password out of 5. So I'll use the same one, and I would write here as in we can write the strength of password is. Okay, and into that I could just write like strength, that variable, out of 5, like this. Okay, and after that we can even add the remarks. So I would write here remark, right, and here we will use the variable that is mark, because into that we have stored the remarks for my password, right? So that is what all we have just written up over here, correct? Now I am done with this. This is all which you can write up over here about entering the uppercase, lower cases and everything. Next what I would do is that I would try to check. Now further again you want to proceed in with my checking of the other password, or do you want to exit from here only, right? That all also we need to check in, because we are making a very proper program over here. So next I'll make up a different function which will help me to exit if needed, and if not then again it will revert the whole program for me. So it is a continuous loop type of a thing. Okay, great. So if I can get a confirmation from everyone, am I clear up till this particular place to all of you? Okay, Ravi, ever you try Haskell programming? Okay, Ravi, I have heard about that a lot, but truly speaking, at my end, I haven't tried that out. But yeah, I'm looking forward for the same. Are you computer science? Yeah, I'm from computer science only. I'm from computer science. Great. So yes, everyone, if I can get in some confirmations from you all that how is that actually looking, or what are the remarks which you have added, what is the strength which we have added, and everything. Great. Now next what I am going to do is that I am going to write in a function. That function will actually help me out for finding in do I have to like check the, how do I have to check this, sorry, at what point I do need to exit this particular one, do I need to exit or do I not need to exit, everything will be checking out. Okay, def my function password underscore c, okay, sorry, not equal to password underscore c, and yeah, into the bracket I'm just gonna write something like okay, I would make up a variable here that would be any underscore password. Okay, and for now I'm going to set that as false, not true, I'm going to set that as false, putting the colon, getting down. Now I want to check is my password valid or not. Okay, VAL, and for now I'm just going to put that as false, right? Now if there is any password, any underscore password, that particular variable name, if any underscore password, I would make up a choice over here, right? If I want to have any other password also, I would try to make up a choice over here, and that choice will be input. Okay, one second, I would write okay, it would be, do you want to check some other password too, like this, y/n, right? I will just put a statement like that. Otherwise, if this is not the statement, okay, else, now one second, I would again put up a choice over here, else choice is equal to, and choice input, it would be, do you want to check your password? Okay, again it would be y/n. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just put some colons like that so that it gets to know where to write this stuff. Great, right? Now this is one thing which I wanted to check. Now if that the password which I was trying to write, if that is not valid, if not val, that variable which was I was making, if not val. Now what to do? Now in that case, you can either choose y or you can either choose n. That is my, you want to exit yes or you do not want to exit no. Okay. Now if the choice which I have, if my choice dot lower, I would just try to convert all the choices in the lower. If that is yes, right, in that case it will return me true. Okay, that yes, you do not want to exit. So it will again rerun the loop for me. But elif, if my choice is n, okay, so I will just write that elif choice dot lower is equal to n, that if the n is entered by the user, it means that I do not want to check any other password. In that respective case, what would be done? I would try to write up over here print exiting the exited, like that I would simply write, or I would write exit done. Okay, fine, and I would just simply try to return the false from here, right? I would write else print input is, one second, else input is not valid. Try once more. Okay, input is not valid, try once more. So all of my conditions, whatever I wanted to add, I had added all of those particular conditions over here, right? Now it's the time I'll be defining up my main function so as to run in my program. So if underscore name is equal to, if underscore name is equal to, one second, I will just enter a space. Yeah, if that is equal to main, right? If that is the one thing which I wanted to do, into that now my main function is, first of all I'll just try to print in a statement, and that statement is one second, it is like welcome to password strength checker, like this. Okay, welcome to password strength checker. Fine. I would simply call my functions over here. Okay, what are the functions we have defined above? I would try to call all those functions for me. So check underscore pw, my variable, is equal to check underscore one second, what was my function name which we had made out? Just write check, what was it? Check, so it was password underscore 3, guys. So it was password underscore c, right? So this is where I'm just trying to call my function for checking, right? While my conditions are going for this check underscore password, till the time I would call my password strength, the first function, which was my check underscore password underscore strength. I would just try to call in this one function, right? Next, I would simply write check underscore password, that's my pw. Okay, it would be password underscore c, and I am going to set that as true. And yes, my program is completed over here, right? So yeah, it was a long program. We imported the respective libraries. Then we have put down many conditions. First of all, for checking how many types of the things we have into a password, right? What's the strength? If the strength is this, then I am trying to print up some remarks. Also, even I have to find out that total how many lowercase, uppercase, or what types of total characters we have added. Then Next, we made up a function which will help me to check in. Do I want to further continue checking some other passwords or not? If yes, so it will again revert the loop. If no, it will show me that okay, you are done. And at the last, into my main function, I tried calling my both of the functions so as to check out and see out the results for the same. Okay. So now I just want a very quick info from you all. Are we clear up till this particular place that what have we actually done up till now? Are we clear with the same? Great. So time for running out our program. So let's run and check it out. So as soon as I ran, it showed me that welcome to password strength checker. Do you want to check your password? Let's say yes, I entered Y. Okay, input is not valid. Try once more. Okay, 1 second. I guess there is some loop which is missing out over here. Let's now try to check in where the loop is not working. While check password. Okay. Hold on, let me stop this. Okay. Print input is not valid. Okay, this statement is getting printed while not in the value. We have set that as false. And print input is not valid. Try once more. Okay. If, elif, and then else part we have added. That's quite okay. After that, my main function is over there. Okay, let me just go above and check it out once. Password strength mark is done. For loop started. Okay. If conditions, then elif conditions, then print. My password checker. Okay, is this in the alignment? Yeah, it's in the alignment. Okay. Okay, no, that's okay. If not val, we have taken val as our variable, right? So val is for my valid, and I just set that as false for now. So if any other password or that, it is else. Okay. While not, okay, val, I guess that's not gonna work because val is one of the things which we like, sort of a variable which we have already, right? So instead of val, I would take the valid as my variable. Okay, I hope now you got that point what I was trying to say, because we already have something like val into our particular program as a keyword. Okay, sorry, here we made a mistake, that we cannot add the keywords as a identifier, right? And I was trying to do that particular same thing. So now that's the reason it is simply not getting me that particular one. It's not showing me that same thing. So I would just try to close this over here, and once again I'll just try to reconnect it. Okay, let's try to reconnect it and once run it over here. Okay. Okay, so welcome to it. Do you want to check your password? Yes, I want to do that. So why? Now let's say, okay, now I'm going to enter the password. That password will not be shown to anyone. Let's say I would write, see, into my password, I have 5 lowercase characters, 0 uppercase, 4 digits, 0 spaces, and 1 special character. So my password score is 0.6. Password is okay, but it can be improved. Okay, it simply gave me all the information about my particular password, what is it and how it has to be done. Let's say I want to check one more password. I'll just write Y, and let's say my password I'm going to enter as now I'll add something which is to be done. Okay, I have 4 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 5 digits, 1 white space and 1 special. Password score is 1. Remarks: this is a very strong password. They did not have a chance for guessing this password. Now do I want to exit? So I'll just write yes. Sorry, my question was, do you want to check another password strength? I would say no. So it will simply exit up my complete program, right? And that is all done over here, right? So this is how this super cool password checker could be made out. This is how you can make up this particular program over here, and this is how you can make this program added onto your resumes. Now one other thing could be done is you can simply make this program and you can try to make it a GUI based program by adding it onto your respective resumes if you want to add in. So you can make up a GUI sort of a thing for this one, right? So great everyone, this was a project which I was wishing to make in for you all people over here today. So I hope you might have enjoyed making up this particular project with me over here into this live stream. Now your doubts are most invited. If you have any questions related to the project, if you have any questions related to anything over here, you can put that down for me and I'll be really happy to answer that out for you all. I'm waiting for your questions to be listed down. Okay, perfect. So I'll help you out once with what is currently going on to the channel. So onto the channel, like currently you are getting a lot of stuffs, as in to fill out for the internships or some informative sort of the videos over into the channel, right? And yeah, so if you like are not watching out those videos, if you are looking for some internships, so you can just watch out my videos which are already onto the channel for getting in some information about the internships, right? That what you can apply, where you can apply, what roles can be done, is it a paid or non-paid one, being a first, second, third, fourth year, what internships can be applied by you, everything. You are getting a lot of details on the same for onto my channel. So I request you all that if you haven't watched out those videos, do watch it out, even share it with your friends too. So if you haven't shared out this channel with your friends, everyone very quickly go ahead, share this channel with your friends so that they can as well get the best out of it about learning the data science, learning Python, many job opportunities, internship opportunities, and there's lots of things. If you haven't followed me on LinkedIn, do follow me. It's Shambhavi Gupta over there. Okay, for Insight is again Shambhavi_Gupta 4. Okay, see, these are the social media handles onto which you can connect with me for any sort of the doubts. If you are having questions, you can put down those questions onto any of my recent videos, any recent YouTube videos, and I'm really happy to answer out those questions for you all. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this respective live stream. I'm very happy that you people came here, you got to learn something over into this, and great to have you people here. Looking forward for some more insightful live streams further in the future with you people to be there. Okay, so thank you everyone, thanks a lot for joining in. Thank you, take care guys, have a great week ahead. Okay, great everyone, so thank you, thanks a lot for joining on in this particular program, in this particular live stream. We'll see you all there into the next live stream. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye everyone, and have a great week ahead, all of you.